Can plasma make things smell better? That's a trick question. Hello, my name is Greg Friedman. I'm a plasma bioengineer. And in this channel, I like to chat about science, usually about plasmas. And today, let's talk about if plasma can make things smell better. Depends on what you mean by better. Plasma is really good at disappearing the smell. And sometimes you want that. For example, during the laundry drying cycle, whatever residual smells there are, plasma is very good at destroying what's called volatile organic compounds. So any kind of organic material that has a smell to it, plasma is very good at oxidizing that down to carbon dioxide and water. Very good at that. So gym locker rooms, stinky bathrooms, any place where industrial processes where VOCs, volatile organic compounds, are generated, plasma is very good at removing those. There is a trick. What makes it a trick question is what happens if you completely remove any smell from your refrigerator? There was a study done where a technology to completely remove the smell from the fridge was introduced, and consumers hated it. Why? Well, imagine you open a fridge and you smell nothing. You just bought some delicious stinky cheese and you can't smell it. The smell is gone. Consumers don't like that. They like the way their fridge smells. Or they don't like it and they go to clean it up. So in some situations, you don't want to remove the smell. But when you do, plasma is very, very good. Now, if you're talking about using plasma in atmospheric conditions, removing smell in this room, the challenge is not removing the smell. The challenge is actually managing the byproducts that plasma generates. If you don't break down fluorocarbons, fluorine-containing organics, if you don't break them down completely, you might end up with a little bit of phosgene, COF₂. Dangerous, very carcinogenic, mutagenic gas. It's horrible. So you might want to make sure that whatever plasma process you're using actually breaks things down completely. Also, you produce a lot of hydrogen peroxide, peroxynitrite, ozone. Those need to be managed. So can plasma make things smell better? Again, depends on what you mean by better, but plasma can remove the smell. It is management of all the stuff around that becomes important. Well, short answer this time. Can plasma remove smell? Yes. Make things smell better? Question mark. Anyway, if you have can plasma questions, please post them down in the comments section. I'll be happy to chat about them in the future. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.